Namaste. I am Manikyam, Principal, AP Social Welfare Residential School, Talapalam, Kasimkota Mandal. I am very happy and delighted to participate in Mantra for Change Challenge. So, Mantra for Change has given us a wonderful opportunity to innovate. So, our theme is engaging kids during COVID 19, the pandemic situation. So, what our staff and myself collectively we thought of engaging them, aligning to the society's vision and mission. So, we have set our plans how to make students brilliant academically by completing Unit 1 syllabus by August 30th. Innovation for Change, AP Balayogi Gurukulam Talapalam. Educating, empowering, and engaging kids during pandemic COVID-19. We run our prestigious institutions across the state by name AP Balayogi Gurukulams under APSWREI Society, and our institution is mapped at Talapalam, Kasimkota Mandal, Visakhapatnam district. We are guided and led by visionary leaders Sri P. Vishwaroop Garu, Honorable Minister of Social Welfare, Sri Muddada Ravichandra Garu, Principal Secretary APSWREI Society, Colonel V. Ramulu, Secretary APSWREI, and Sri R.D.V. Chandrasekhar, District Coordinator VSP, with great vision and mission. Vision. Education is for life, not just for livelihood. Mission. We produce kids academically brilliant, P physically fit, S socially responsible, W wisely behaved, R radiantly empowered, emotionally balanced, intellectually strengthened, and spiritually elevated. To me, innovation is to think something that benefits a wide area of community, according to the need of the hour, as per the situation demands. A designed thinking can bring innovation. So during this pandemic COVID situation, there is a dire necessity to engage kids and boost the energy of students that they are not missing much, and thus building confidence in parents. Thus, we have set our action plan accordingly. Virtually connecting students by using Meet app to conduct classes. Every teacher plans the schedule of teaching Unit 1 syllabus by sending videos, Google Forms, e-books, etc. Arts and crafts. Arts and craft is most interesting and fascinating topic for both students and parents. So, we designed engaging them with social and useful productive works. Mrs. Sailja Rani, our craft faculty actively mind mapped students and parents. They are utilizing this opportunity very well. As a part of this, we taught preparing masks, preparing sanitizer, preparing hand wash, preparing interior decorative items, cloth designing and stitching, etc. Health and hygiene. Health and hygiene is another key area where we are focusing, as it is more than anything else. Mrs. Dhanlakshmi, our health supervisor, every day prepared a wonderful plan of giving health tips to kids and parents, where it grabbed the attention of all. They are in fact following and giving good feedbacks. E-Grandhalaya, library. Library at school plays a vital role. It is a knowledge hub which spreads knowledge as widely as possible and facilitates in creating new knowledge, so as to keep up APSWREI societies in setting up holistic curriculum. Mrs. Madhavi Lata, our librarian, came up with a plan where students achieve information literacy by developing effective cognitive strategies and communicating information in all formats and content areas in pandemic, like in the form of sharing career guidance by staff and I Dream Career and innovative teaching techniques through Google Meet, demonstrating through videos, audio, brain, through quizzing and reasoning. Naipunya Vikasam, IT and CT. As soft skills and computational skills became part and parcel of our life, so our ITCT trainer Miss Bhavani made a focused plan to engage students virtually throughout by providing digital classes in Google Meet. Miss Bhavani, IT and CT trainer, virtually engaging students to do tasks like creating Gmails, logos, websites, preparing games with coding, using Scratch programming in Android phone, taking classes about digital literacy, instructing students how to utilize mobile and internet activities, preparing class-wise videos in YouTube channel, Naipunya Vikasam IT and CT, and sharing YouTube links in students' WhatsApp group, thus students following and preparing notes. Students learn yogasanas each day at least for 5 minutes and meditation for 10 minutes. We track all the parents by myself conducting meetings with parents using Google Meet, ensuring that they are happy with us. Very happy that we have ATL Lab where ideating, thinking, designing sessions take place. Now that virtually we are collecting innovative ideas from students, recently in ATL Marathon 2019 under Health and Hygiene, we were nationally selected, and also for ATL 2020 during COVID time, we enrolled 3 projects. Now to speak about the prestigious project of our Honorable CM, Sri Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, that is Manabadi Nadu Nedu, we are very much sophisticated with good infrastructure, and we could renovate the multi-purpose hall which fits 500 students, and planning to design indoor games on the floor with the help of our teachers and students. We also have mural paintings painted by our kids in our school which depicts the strong school culture and evidence for innovation. Always, as a team, we strongly keep the vision and the mission of the society and design our overall curriculum of holistic education. I extend my sincere thanks to the Mantra team for really thinking innovatively and giving us the great challenge. And also, I extend my sincere thanks to my staff who had collectively, as a team spirit, we are all engaging students. I also thank our Principal Secretary Sir, Sri Muddada Ravichandra Garu, and Secretary Sir, Colonel Ramul Garu, and our District Coordinator, R.D.V. Chandrasekhar Garu, for really giving us great support and also giving lot of guidance all through the induction training program and arranging lots and lots of people like Mantra, Ajim Premji, etc. And so this is a great platform for us to innovate our thoughts. A big thank you for all of us on behalf of my students, my teachers and myself. Thank you.